Hello everyone, today I'm in Bee Swarm's emulator. You haven't seen this in a long time. Why not do it? It's a throwback and I've gotten advanced. The Mondo Chick is... I just defeated the Mondo Chick on Mountaintop. He's super useful to get marshmallow bees converters, honey and bitter berries. If you want those, and maybe neon berries. He gave me a neon berry this time. But if you want those things, wait an hour if Mondo, wait for the Mondo Chick who's awesome. And then he has 300,000 health and those spawn in 2 minutes. Calm, whatever that's called. But welcome back to Bee Swarm Simulator. It might have updated. I don't think it has in a long time, but I'm back. I'm back, baby, back with a new video. And I just love Bee Swarm Simulator. I haven't played it for a long time. Oh, yeah, I have this out. I have super smoothies. I have 10 marshmallow bees. I used to have 1 because I'm not good at getting marshmallow bees. Now I have 10 because of the Mondo Chick. Mondo Chicks are useful now. Like, I thought they were just useless. Now I know they're useful. And guys, I used to have only 29 of these. Thanks to Mondo Chick, I have that many. After eating a few chicks, starting to use them more. I'm the best in the server. And that guy, he's almost as good as me, and he has a vector bee. I have a gifted Spicy, who's a mythic, and also I have a fuzzy bee. Not Coolbee, no one cares about Coolbee. No one cares about Coolbee. Everyone cares about Gifted Photon. Yes, finally. And also I used Star Jelly. I got a Gifted Bucko Bee. One of my favorite bees, and I never had him before. He's good. Good, baby, good. Yeah, I'm probably gonna change this if I get a Star Jelly, Star Egg, whatever. I'm probably gonna replace this guy, not that good. Well, his dad... This one beats it by a little bit. Beats it. I'm trying to figure out how to get this out of the way. Get out. Move. Move thing. Move. And I've been grinding a lot. As you could see, over 500 million, honey. Doing the usual, taking down these things. I've been actually working on quests. Alright, brownberry bean. That's the coconut field. And I don't feel like working against the coconut crab. Really don't. But, gotta do what I gotta do. And you guys are probably wondering, what's the coconut crab if you haven't played Bee Swarm? The almighty coconut crab. And I only need a few. All I need is pollen, dude. All I need is pollen. Yes! You know what that is? It's been here ever since that came, but... Down there, dude.
We've got about 50 minutes left, okay? Because
I just found a 1,500,000 moon sprout. This better be good. I'm excited to work on this moon sprout. I never get these. I like them. Ooh, festive. Yeah, the basic. Yeah, this is from the Mondo chick who's awesome. If you're playing right now and also watching this video, I suggest you defeat the Mondo chick now. He's on mountaintop. You need 25 bees. Okay, I need a scooter. A chair. Ow! Go boom! Photon lasers. Since it's gifted, it's now white instead of yellow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the last time I made a Beast One video, I didn't have the Windy Bee. I have the Windy Bee. No one cares. But I will unpause. Actually, it's almost done. I will unpause it when it's done, when the moon's ready. I finished that run I wanted to do. That run. I finished the moon's run, got all the tokens. Just time to work on the stumps now for a little bit. I will let you know when I get them down a little bit of health. I don't got. Oh, I've been looking at my quest. This is from Black Bear. Dude, mean. But you gotta love the guy. Stardos. He might give out a star egg or a mythic egg or something really, really useful someday. He gave me a star jelly before, but yeah, that's how much I made today. Yeah, I've been grinding today for a little bit, but I'll let you know when I get close to this being done. I might do a grind. Do I want to do a grind? Grinds take like 20 minutes, 30, I don't know. And I don't got that done. So I'm gonna let you know when I got some decent work on the grind, on this grind. On maybe a grind. See you when I complete this run. Hello, hello, hello. I'm back. After I finished that, I thought to myself, and I want you to do a grind. Mono Chick boost, super smoothie, marshmallow bee equals that. Yeah, I could over almost 10 million honey. If I could finish this grind, I could get up to like 700 million maybe in about like 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm still gonna finish this grind. I just love a Beast Bomb Simulator. I haven't played it in ages, but so worth it. Yeah, I really gotta do some more grinds. Like, I haven't did a grind in ages, but I did a grind yesterday, when I started playing Beast Bomb again. But this is probably the biggest grind I'm gonna do today. Back. But good thing I have micro converters. I just love micro converters, don't you? Micro converters are like, yo, just use me if you have like 1 million honey or 10 million honey. That's my point. I have almost 10 million honey. No, about 10 million. Do this like 7 times. Man, I'm rich. The full 20 minutes equals all my micro converters. Don't worry, I could just take down the Mondo Chick 1 million times. I'm gonna go here and see how many converters I have. 15. Plus, good to know. So I'm just trying to find a good spot so you could see me. It's gonna be good. I'm just gonna be like this. doing a grind, doing a grind, doing a old school grind. Doing a grind, doing a grind, doing a grind. And let me tell you something, guys. Normally, how I start grinding is I get the white thing from up there, white bills, and then just do the field and put a super smoothie on it. And then just start grinding. But now I'm doing it different. The quest grinding are different. Now I'm gonna see you in GIF once I finish the grind. So guys, you didn't see that, but I finished the quest. Let's see what Blackbear's gonna give me. 1,000 trees, 5 million honey. Dude, I love you, Blackbear. But he gave me a star jelly. Alright, I'm gonna use it on a normal honeybee. But he gave me a star jelly. Thank you. Whatever. A gifted rage! Oh, I always want a gifted rage. Always want a gifted rage. Oh, I already have a gifted rage. I didn't know I already had one, but better than nothing. I'm gonna just continue grinding in the pepper field. Or maybe coconut. Yeah, I'm gonna do pepper. There's not much harm in it. And one of the best fields. Oh my god! But when my grind's over, hang on, let me see. 7 minutes, so 17 minutes. Yeah. So guys, you see, I'm almost at 6 million. 600 million. That's when I'm gonna end. Guys, I really hope you have a good day. Guys, do you see how close I am to that 600 million mark? I never had this much honey before. My hash was probably 555 million, and that was a long time ago. And what did I have? Add up to like 75 million since I started. Yeah, I've gained like so many hundreds in you. You stole my pepper field. I'm just trying to grind, bro. No. I'm gonna head back to pepper. Because pepper field is one of the best fields. I tried coconut, almost died because of the crab. And I have never beaten him before because none of my bees are level 11 or 12. One bee's 10, that's my vicious bee, but he's not as strong as an knife. Flying bee, wraith bee, and vicious bee. Those are my 3 strongest. Strongest probably brave bee. Oh yeah, one of my strongest is also rage bee. It's gonna happen way faster in this field. And to eat a colored field. Oh my. 3. In a few seconds, I will get the mark. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Magic star! Sorry, that's totally uncommon.